I have shown you one exercise. The rest of the things must be done by you. Okay? Everyone next thing. Now, your notebook is ready. I am giving you one more. After joining so many neurons together, whenever you learn a new thing, a new neuronal network will be established in your brain. A new neuronal pathway or network. Neuronal network, any new learning. If I can sing a song network is being established in my brain. Anyway, coming back. A new neuronal network establishment is made easy only by practice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Sometimes I may require. She may require only 100 times. It depends on the person. It may vary from person. Only that is the only difference. Training is the most important thing. You have to find some time in your daily schedule. In your busy schedule of every day, you have to find some time to train you. It is required to make your life most enjoyable. Forget about the salary, the school's contract signing. Forget about everything. It's for you, your own life. You have to do it. The way you do it, the more you do it, your life will be more happy. So derive happiness out of your own life. Okay? For that, I am giving you one more step. After that, personality development steps will be stopped and we go into my schedule of the day. Okay? One more step is, you know something called IMS? IMS stands for immediate memory span. You are talking to your children every day. New facts. What is the neuronus? What is the nucleus of the neuron is called? What is axon? How the picture can be drawn? New things. They are hearing it. Immediately they blot it and retain it in their memory. So IMS is immediate memory span. The measure of the memory immediately after hearing, touching, seeing, tasting or listening. Clear? That is IMS. To test